my Savior and Protector. Thank you so much, God, for all that you have been to me and all that you will continue to be. Life as Mechanics of Palo 2009 has allowed me to acquire a myriad of experiences and realize many personal goals. I have grown both spiritually and emotionally in profound ways. If I could boast of only one reason to be grateful for my living, my personal growth alone would be enough to prove this experience priceless. I have had the privilege of meeting truly remarkable people and touching the lives of young people, one of my greatest passions. Even though being in Chinese of Palo 2009 only lasts a year, I will forever cherish the friendship, experiences, and memories. Also, one must remember that a true win is not determined by the crown on her head or the sash across her shoulder, but it is the inner beauty, generosity, kindness, and gracefulness that she carries in all aspects of her life. Everyone needs help along the way to success. This lesson becomes more apparent with each passing day. Thank you, Mom and Dad, family, and close friends for being unfailingly supportive of me. I am so blessed to have you in my life, and I love you dearly. Without you, I would not be able to withstand many of the challenges I face. Because this lesson carries over into all aspects of life. I cannot neglect sending special thanks to Charlie Cato, my handler, and Lila Dechika, the founder and acting executive director of the Mechanics of Palo. To the young ladies vying for the title of Mechanics of Palo, dare to dream big. Although only one will live with the title today. All can aspire to make significant contributions to our communities. Choose not to shrink. You are to be commended for being outstanding, intelligent, and beautiful woman. Congratulations on making it this far. To the young lady who will be proud of the next Mechanics of Palo, make your race spectacular. Prayer will be your greatest ally. Be patient, kind, and understanding, but most importantly, be proactive. You will often encounter difficulties. Those are the things that test our preparedness for our blessings. You can conquer the world. Tonight, as my week comes to an end, it will only be the crown that I will be giving away. I will forever treasure the memories, friendship, and invaluable experiences from what has been a truly unforgettable year. I hope that I have been able to give back to the community half of what has given so generously to you. No matter where I go in life, I will always remember this experience and all it has taught. I hope I was able to make you proud. I am honored to have been able to serve as the Mechanics of Palo 2009. Thank you for supporting the empowerment of talented young women. Sincerely, Roxy Marie Quiroz Garcia, Mechanics of Palo 2009. We, as human beings, are the mere spiritual beings, and as such, are quite limitless in our potential to be happy.